Power on the IP paging mic and Paul horn speaker. Insert the U-disc and check the files. Choose a target zone to start broadcasting.
Hello? Testing.
Testing.
One. Okay.
Choose a music file to play.
I will run, I will climb, I will soar. I'm undefeated. Oh.
The output volume can be adjusted during broadcasting.
I will run, I will climb, I will soar. I'm undefeated. Oh. Jumping.
Enable Bluetooth and pair with your phone. Select a zone to start broadcasting and play audio on your phone. Logged on the software, add a scheme. Name Broadcasting Control in the Schedule task page. Under the scheme, create multiple tasks here. Add event as the trigger, key as the event type. Choose XC95208 as the event terminal, key number start from 1. Add PA as the operation, file as audio source. Add audio files from media, choose the target zones. On the Broadcasting Control module of the XC95208, choose any one of the tasks to trigger the music play.
May I have your attention, please? May I have your attention, please?
Upload .wav files into the admin folder, which enter the private directory. Click our button on the XC95208. Choose any one of the uploaded music to be played on the target zones. During the music playback, you can adjust the volume in real time.
That you down, that you found a girl and you're married now.
The XC95208 also supports remote adjustment of the terminal volume. Amplifier output to volume controller input. Volume controller output to speaker. Forced power output to connect to the 24 volts input of the volume controller. Amplifier alarm output connected to forced power alarm input. Task 1. Amplifier alarm input triggers alarm output. The trigger type is alarm, the event source is amplifier, and the port is 1. Add operation as command, type as alarm output. Target terminal as amplifier. Task 2. Amplifier alarm input triggers broadcast and has the highest priority. Add a trigger as event, type as alarm input. Event source as amplifier, port as 1. Add operation as broadcast, add alarm file. Select amplifier as target terminal. Set this task to the highest priority. On the real-time page, select the amplifier to play background music. Adjust the volume of background music via the audio controller. Short-circuit the amplifier alarm input interface. The preset task is triggered and the file broadcast is played, and the volume is switched to the maximum value.
May I have your attention, please? May I have your attention, please?
After the file broadcast ends, the background music continues to play.